We're going to do a quick video demonstration of the Quickpics Ultimate Image Libraries. Once you purchase our application and you open it, the image libraries will sync up between our image libraries as seen here and the iPhone or iPad libraries that exist on your devices. Now what happens here is they work synonymously together to actually update each library whenever an image is taken or deleted. So we're going to open up the image library, and as you can see, we've got just a couple of photo albums here that were imported. These are actually on the simulator, so they won't look exactly right, and you may have as much as 8,000, 10,000 images. We've done testing with as many as 8,000 images, and the app seems to function well with that. But if you'll open up one of the image libraries, and like I said, the image library is done on the simulator here, so they will all be the same image, but we're going to show you some of the functionality. If you single tap an image, each time you tap one, it selects it and makes it readily available to upload to Facebook, MySpace, Flickr, and Picasa, or your camera library, which you'll definitely want to do. Anything that's held in the holding area and is not moved to one of the actual photo libraries won't sync up. And the reason we have that holding area is so you'll have the ability to actually delete the images as you need. So you can single tap an image to select them. You can actually hold down an image just for a couple seconds and it'll choose 25 images to upload or delete. And you can continue to do that throughout the image library. If you hold them down, it'll just keep selecting more. As you see, it's updating, upload 53 selected. At any time you want to clear those images, you don't want to delete them or either upload them, you can just click clear and that'll happen. But if you have a lot of images, a big library, then the bookmark here will allow you to get back to the top of a particular image library, which is a really neat feature. The same thing applies if you want to just look at videos or photos, and that won't be so much of a case until you have a tremendous amount of images. So it's a very simple section with photo libraries, but it has a lot of functionality here. And we're going to show you by double tapping on an image to go to the standard Apple type library configuration where you can just scroll through and select an image to upload if you'd prefer to do it that way, and then you can scroll to the next one. And you can actually click on the web view to bring up directions for Google Maps, and you can click on it to show that all these images were taken in the same place. If you click done, it'll take you back to the section. You can trash an image from here just like we're doing here, and you can even open up the Photoshop type editing system, which is absolutely phenomenal. We won't go into that here because we're doing a short video. We're going to say, let's just go back to pics real quick, and we're going to collapse the headers and just show you that all the same functions exist on this screen. We're going to show you a really neat feature that everybody likes. We're going to click on the eye icon, and we're going to scroll down to the Quickpics section, and you have the ability to configure the image library just the way you want it. You can change the resolution on the images, you can group the albums, collapse them, you can show tips on the entire application actually. But one of the most wanted features is the ability to change to huge image library icons. Now what this does is really neat. A lot of people like this. It gives you the ability to, rather than double tapping on each image, you can view them in a large mode all the time. So hopefully you understand that our image libraries sync up with the Apple image libraries, which is really a big deal. It's a neat feature. It allows you to back up all your images without having to try to figure out how do you get your images out of a camera app. And thank you for taking time to listen to this video.